let off some shots when I saw the op. These diamonds wet, they like I had to soak it. Boogers jump out the crib and you had to notice. Treat the drink like them twins, I double dosed it. Memory lane with the gang, we had to toast it. Brought the rape to the hood, I had to coast it.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys cannot tell from the title, this is an updated brow tutorial. I was like obsessing over how my brows look because I was like, they have just been so on point lately. And honestly, I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I started grooming my own brows again. I know in my last brow tutorial, I was like going off about how bad my brows look because I went to G Mora's. Listen, last time I went there, I was very disappointed. My brows look like trash. I grew them out and then I went to the Benefit Brow Bar. Got them done. They look like trash again. And I was like, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. I ain't playing these games no more. Roy, you're gonna go back to doing your own brows. You're gonna keep them nice and full. You're gonna keep them nice and fluffy. You ain't gonna trim them too short. Like, you know what to do with your brows to get your brows the way you want your brows to look. And only you know how your natural brows really look. So you know how to dress them up and make it real for yourself. So this is my updated brow tutorial. You know, they looking real nice, real nice. Before we jump into the tutorial, I do want to talk about my new favorite brow product, and this is the Signiture brow pencil from Kat Von D. Now, mine is looking a little dusty, crusty, and musty because, you know, it's well loved, but y'all, let me tell you, y'all see how thin that is? Like, it's so bomb. Just nice light strokes, so easily, and it lasts and it don't be breaking, and it just is such a little bit of product that I have to use to achieve like the look, and I'm just like, what, Kat, can we talk about it? Can I get on PR, please? Add me to the list. I want the brow pencil too. If you guys want to see how I have been achieving my brows lately, then please keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And as always, please, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you don't know, you're new to the channel, that's why you need to sipping on some scissor. We don't do that over here. And as always, stay beautiful. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil in the shade Walnut. So this is just a neutral tone brown. It's not too warm, and I'm gonna comb my brows into shape, and then I'm gonna start outlining the base of my brow, and then I'm gonna do some little hair-like strokes because you know your girl like a fluffy feathered brow. So you know, just connect the dots to the natural brow. Don't be trying to do no extra stuff. Just follow your natural brow shape. You don't need to be out here looking like, I don't know, but don't do it. So now I'm going to take Lockdown from the Naked Ultimate palette. I like this because it's, once again, a neutral tone. It has a little bit of gray, has a little bit of warmth, but I'm just going to kind of go over top, mostly focusing towards the base of the brow. I'm combing that product through to make sure it's well blended because, once again, we want it to look more on the natural side. So this is my little trick. I'll take some mascara. Please use a light hand with this. Please wipe off the excess product. Brush it through the brow hairs. It's going to make them darker. And then I'm going to take some Duo. So I actually learned this trick from Sir John. He does this with Beyonce's brows, but he uses lace front glue. Girl, you never catch me using no Ghost Bond glue on my brows. Is what I'm looking like. So I take Duo instead because it's not as harsh, and I comb through the brows, and this is going to keep the brows in place, and I comb them upwards so they're really feathered. So now I'm going to take Blackjack. Very little bit of product, y'all. Do not use a lot of this. I'm just going to fill in any place where I have gaps, where my brows are more sparse, just so that way it kind of balances out the brow. And that is it. That is all for this tutorial. It's very easy.